April Loves Channel. We are preparing the cakes for our new member to our household. So we are thinking about naming her. My husband told me she is a female. So today is March. We call Mary.
Okay. Here.
Is that vitamins?
Yeah.
You see, guys, she has a lot of things in her cage. She has an accessory, and then nuts. Not so much. How old is she? Gamel.
She's young.
But have already feathers? What shall we call her? We call her Mimi. I remember the woman in France. Mimi!
Like that.
Oh, Missy. Missy. Mishi. She has all the vitamins, merienda. She has snacks. Now,
I don't know what this is.
okay, later, Papa. Can you put it now because...
Wait.
Now she comes. Here she comes. Oh! Be careful. Now go. Oh, she is big. Now, Mishi. Mishi, welcome, Mishi.
Okay.
Ayan si Mishi. She is big. I thought she is tiny. Wow. Now we have a little girl in our house. She looks fine. Yellow with that orange. Ayan si Mishi. Hi Mishi, welcome to our house. Welcome to Hokaya. Welcome to the island, but you cannot go out. So yan ang new pet namin.
Yeah.
First,
Okay, I take the car.
car.
Yeah, I have to
It's done.
finish.
So guys, thank you very much for watching again April Loves channel. Please subscribe and let us support each other. Bye-bye.